Okay, this video is going to show you how to create, edit, and lock a module in Canvas. You may be thinking, what are the benefits of locking a module? There are many. For example, locked modules maintain course organization, course flow, and students are clearly guided on what content they can see and are needed to engage with during a specific period of time. Locked modules also control course progression, ensuring that students follow your course in a specific order and they're not able to skip ahead without completing the required material. Another benefit of locked modules is that, let's say you're creating your Canvas course at the beginning of the semester and you want to input content for the entire semester and you don't want your students overwhelmed, confused, or working ahead. This is when you could utilize the locked module feature to schedule and post each module for each week within the semester. So our first step will be to go to courses, and we're going to select the course that we're wanting to post our module in. On the left hand side underneath announcements, you're going to select modules. So as you can see here, week 1 has been published. There's all green check marks here. To add a module, we're going to click on the add module button. We're going to title our second module week 2, and we're going to lock it until February 14th. There's also a prerequisite tab. If I want to ensure that my students complete week 1 prior to going to week 2, I will go ahead and select this prerequisite tab. If you don't want the option to include a prerequisite, you can simply click this trash can button here. Add module. Okay, so you can see our second module has been created. It hasn't been published because there isn't a green check mark here. So to add content to your module, once again, you can click choose files to add files that way, or you can click this plus sign here. So let's go ahead and add an assignment. So we'll click add assignment. We're going to select the assignment that we want to add to our second module. Click add item. If you want to add, let's say, a discussion board, we're going to click the plus sign, go to add discussion, and we're going to select discussion board 2. If I didn't have a discussion board already input into Canvas, I could create a new discussion board by selecting create topic. But since I already have one input into Canvas, I'm going to go ahead and select discussion board 2. There is an indentation option here. If I wanted to indent discussion board 2, I'm going to show you here. I could select the level that I wanted indented, click add item, and there's a descending indentation listed here. Once again, everything you do, you can undo. So if you don't put that indent tag, you simply click edit, go here, click don't indent. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add a video. So I'm going to click add, select external URL. I'm going to go and select the video that I want to copy and paste. Copy, paste. I'm going to title it technology. I don't want it indented. Add item. Okay, let's go ahead and add one more thing. So we've got an assignment, discussion board, technology, video. Let's add an attachment. So we'll click here, add. Let's do a quiz. So we're going to do quiz. We're going to select proctoral quiz. Don't want it indented. Okay, so all of our content has been added to our second module. As you can see, a few items are published, quote unquote, but it isn't officially published in our Canvas. And I'll show you how to verify that at the end of the video. Okay, so if you want to edit your title, let's say, you can go ahead and select these 3 dots here, click edit, and you can do so that way. Okay, click save. And that allows you to edit your title. If you want to rearrange the order of your content in the module, you can simply click here on the left hand side and drag the content in the order in which you want it to show in your module. Okay, so let's say if I wanted my technology assignment here at the top, click it there. Okay, if you wanted to rearrange your modules in the order in that they show as well, you can go here, select these 3 dots here, and you select move module, and you can put it at the top. And that allows you to move week 2 is now at the top, week 1 is at the bottom. Once again, if you want to put everything back how you had it, simply click these 3 dots here, move module, Go to the top. Okay, so that is how you edit, create, and lock a module in Canvas. You may be thinking, how do I know if my module is locked? So for one example, you can see will unlock here at the bottom right, February 14th at 8 a.m. So that's one way to verify if your module has been locked. If you go ahead to the top, you can click on View a Student, and that'll allow you to see from a student's perspective, you can see only week 1 has been published. Okay, so that is how you create, edit, and lock